What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. A while back I did a review for the Bose Companion computer speakers. A couple people were saying that you cannot take the stand off because it has some proprietary screws on it. I did actually get some little plastic shelves from Amazon, so I thought, why not? Let me give it a shot. I was actually able to get it off, so I just wanted to show you really quickly. First things first, you gotta take off this screw right here. Once you're able to remove this screw right here, you're gonna wanna either get one of these cell phone fixing kits. See, I just used a regular old Phillips screwdriver to remove these proprietary ones. I probably could have found it in the kit. I was like, you know what, let me just try this one. It works. It doesn't seem to be stripping it or anything, so that's good. And you can keep these and save them if you want. So the best thing to do would be to get a pry. I had a couple pry tools and I used a screwdriver. The best thing you can do is heat this up with a heat gun and pretty much go right to the bottom here. And you want to pop it off right where the glue is. The glue is right down here. You gotta pry it out. Yep, see? There you go. You see it starts to come out. And just be careful you don't whack yourself like I did a few times. And you can get the rest of the pry in there and just pry it right out. Now you can take the other end of your cable, slide it out, and then you can actually either mount this with that little screw right there, or you can just lay it flat on a shelf like I'm doing. I like these speakers a whole lot more now. Much more sleek. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I make tech videos weekly. I have an Amazon store linked in the description below, and I'd greatly appreciate your support if you would use those links to shop. Just a little quickie for you. Alright guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I'm out. Peace.